Is this the temple of Apollo?
Many said that this is the temple.
I hope your wish is granted.
I hope.
Once there was a childless couple, namely King Linus and Queen Jocanica of Thebes. They prayed and sacrificed to God only to have a baby. One day, they went to Apollo. They went to the temple of Apollo, but a prophecy surprised and haunted them for the
Tayo niyo to
rest
sa
of their
Facebook.
lives.
King and Queen of Heaven.
You will have a baby boy, but the child will kill you, King Leus, and wed your Queen Johanna. This happened.
The wish was granted, but the fear started to grow more. And because of this, King Laius and Queen Johanna decided to expose the baby at a high mountain and let him die there.
Shepherd, bring that child to the highest mountains and let it die there.
Hey, what did you do? Got a baby?
Bring this baby on this high mountain and let him die.
Oh, I remember that our majesty was childless. Yeah. Maybe if I will bring that baby up to the queen of Corinth, they will be happy. Yeah, thank you. Young Oedipus was nurtured by King Polybus and Queen Merope. He grew up believing they were his own parents, but there were times when someone bothered about his true identity.
Let's play, brother. Let's play. No, that's not true.
Oh, come on, you are not true Queen of Corinth.
That's not true.
Oedipus was puzzled. To answer the question troubling his mind about his true parentage, he went to the oracle of Delphi, but the prophecy was
You are destined to kill your father and wed your mother.
Oedipus decided not to return home until King Polybus and Queen Merope were dead. He walked away in the city of Corinth.
Goodbye to you, city of Clarence.
Until on his way, he met an old man. Oedipus lives an unfamiliar city, but he doesn't know that he's back in his true hometown, the city of Thebes. The city was in despair, as the Sphinx dealt a riddle on the people, and if whoever can answer it, he will give his punishment.
Sige, dito lang ako.
City was in despair, and fate dealt a riddle on the people, and if whoever can answer it, he will give punishment.
Hey, shut up. People of Tebes, hey people. I have a riddle for you. And listen to it. What is it who walks on four legs? I repeat, what is it who walks on four legs in the morning, two legs in the afternoon, and three legs at evening? I tell you. Hey, shut up. What's your name?
I'm Oedipus. Question?
No.
My answer is a man. The man is the answer.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Don't that way. Because a man walks on two legs.
Four legs.
Walks on four legs. When he is still a baby and walks on two legs. When he grows up and he walks with additional of two feet. Older and older and older.
You're right.
Well, magnificent. You're right. People of Tebes are now free.
People of Tebes celebrate their victory.
I love you.
The people of Tebes requested Oedipus to marry their queen. Oedipus decided to marry Africa. Then they bear 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. One day,
You are not my mother.
You killed King Leus. And so, you're Oedipus, the king. Who is my child?
You are not my mother.
Oedipus felt shocked. Queen Jocasta decided to commit suicide, while Oedipus blinded both of his eyes.
Fucking Yocasta. Fucking Yocasta. You. Come here. Come here.